Leading up to next week's Easter recess, the Senate has been focused on two very important pieces of legislation. Debate has continued on the Senate floor on a human trafficking bill. The bill would fight demand for domestic sex trafficking by ensuring that any person who is trafficking an adult or purchasing a child for sex will be punished under the full force of the law. This legislation also focuses on helping survivors of trafficking heal and protecting others from becoming victims of such a terrible crime. As chairman, I work to advance the legislation through the Senate Judiciary Committee and am now managing Senate consideration of this bill. Unfortunately, the bill has hit a roadblock out there on the Senate floor, with many Senate Democrats preventing it from moving forward. This is a very bipartisan bill that passed unanimously out of my Judiciary Committee. I am hopeful that through debate, the disagreement will be resolved and we will provide the survivors of trafficking with the kind of support that is essential to both their recovery and their future success. This week, the Senate will also be voting on a budget for fiscal year 2016. In the Budget Committee last week, we held a two-day markup of this legislation, voted on numerous amendments, and passed the bill out of committee. What's significant about this year's budget is that out of the last 6 years, under Senator Reid's leadership, we only had one budget, even though the 1974 budget law requires that Congress adopt a budget every year. Under Republican leadership, we plan to follow the law and adopt an annual budget. The 2016 budget will be voted on by the full Senate later this week.